Moving is a huge undertaking on its own. Relocating can add a whole other level of stress and potential complications. No matter where you're moving to, these 10 simple tips can make your relocation a success. Hi, I'm Travis Harris with HomeSmart, and I have seen all of the stress that comes with moving during my time in real estate, so I put these tips together to give you a smooth move. Number 1, visit your city ahead of time and learn the layout and the culture. Make sure it's in a place where you'll be comfortable living and that the cost of living works with your budget before accepting a job or starting the move. Number 2, when you're looking for a new home, make a list of what's important to you. Short commute to work, top schools, medical care, proximity to parks or downtown. Make sure that your agent knows what's important to you so that they can find the perfect home for you. Number 3, with the new home in mind, purge while you pack. Donate or sell items you won't need so you have less than you need to move and unpack in the new house. Number 4, ask your agent to help you find free or inexpensive moving boxes. Number 5, carefully label moving boxes on multiple sides so that you will know what's inside and which room they should go into. Using different color labels will be helpful as well. Number 6, pack a necessity box for each person, plus one for the kitchen, one for the bathroom, and one for electronics. Make them the last thing to leave the old house and the first thing unpacked at the new house. Number 7, if you're hiring movers, plan ahead and shop around. And ask your agent if you need a reputable recommendation. Number 8, don't forget to cancel your delivery services, change your address with the post office, and transfer your utilities. Number 9, if you're moving for a job, make it a point to know your new coworkers. This can be an easy way to begin to meet new people and a great resource for you as you get to know your new area. Number 10, your realtor should also be able to guide you through the home buying process, which may be different in your new location. Your realtor will also be a resource for neighborhoods, schools, shopping, and other important questions about the community you are headed for. If you're thinking about relocating, call me first, and I can provide you with a packing checklist and help you get started with a seamless move.